Today I'll teach you how you guys can find your recently added friends on Snapchat, which means who are the people which you have added, like the latest people you have added. That is basically what recently added means. For that, you can click on the person with the plus icon at the top right corner of his screen, and it's going to take you to an Add Friends section. From over here, you can add the people, but we don't want to add them. So what we want to do is add the top, right? You can see the three dot. Click on the three dot and click on Recently Added by Me. Once you do that, all of your recently added friend is going to be shown, which means the latest person I added is Up Enough. And before that, it was Shin. Before that, it was Battled. Before that, it was By Above. Just like this. You can go down the list to see, like, who was the person you just added at, like, the first. So for me, it was my friend Suyo. That was the first person I've added. And after that, it was this, and it goes up and up. So the top person is a recently added friend. Alright, so that's how we guys can find your recently added friend on Snapchat. If you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to her channel. I'll see you guys in the future video. Bye until then.